I have here today is the HERRCHEF Personal Mini Blender. This is a 20-ounce like blender that's a small kind of on-the-go blender. It's got 300. It uses 350 watts of power, and just kind of like going over some of the features here. It gives you two 600 milliliter blender bottles with separate covers, which is pretty cool. I will show you that. Stainless steel removable blades for easily cleaning, overheated protection, a powerful motor, stainless steel front housing, push motor. You can kind of see push button right there. It's pretty basic. One big thing, I did take it out of the package and look over here. You can see here's all the tops to it. This is what I like. You get two different bottles. So you get two bottles and two tops. Put that back in there. I do like the fact of that. See how you have a top there? Oh, that's the bottom. Just like that. I will show you how all of this works here in a minute. Let's go ahead and show you the actual unit itself. This was bigger than I thought. The motor section was actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was. So let me show you exactly how this works. What you're going to do, put all of your fruit down inside of here, and you're going to like screw that on, and then you're just going to drop this down, lock it into place, and then you're ready to blend. And then when you're done blending, you'll take that off, unscrew this, then put your lid on there. You should be good to go. You can actually make you two different drinks, or make one for later, like one for evening and one for like the morning, and have them both set up like that. That is awesome. Let me go ahead and plug this thing in, grab some fruit, and let's get to blending. So let's try that now. I got me some kale, a little bit of raspberries, some strawberries, bananas, and you know what? Some milk. So let's go ahead and let's put one of these together. I did wash this while I was in there, so let's put it all. Let's just start throwing this stuff in here. Get a little greens. You know what? Who doesn't love a little frozen raspberries, some strawberries? Let's just pack it down in there. I'm getting a little messy here, but you know what? My whole life is messy. Pour a little milk in there, and there we go. So the cool thing about this, so you got it like that, and then what you do, you pretty much just put that on there. You see that right there? And let's see how this motor works. Wow, it didn't even bog it up at all. Look at that, everybody. That works extremely well. That's actually, I could tell by this base that it had a pretty good motor on it. Now, see, you can't, I guess you could shake it a little bit. I'm thinking that's done. So the thing with this, see, check it out. It's sealed. So you see how it's sealed right here? So watch this. So you would take that off. Now see, that's just ready to be cleaned, and there's your smoothie. Oops. Let's just get this lid, since that one fell on the ground. So there's your smoothie. And check it out, you got two setups. That worked perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and make me up a few of these and see how you could take this one, have this one like ready for, say like lunch, and this is dinner or breakfast. And there is a max volume on there, and I didn't do all the way on the max volume. I think about right there is good. And that's a whole meal if you think about it. If you're on some sort of like smoothie kick and you just wanna like have some greens and get your vegetables like me, and I don't like sitting around eating all this stuff, I just put it in one of these and then I can just drink that. And notice it doesn't work until those things get mashed down, by the way. So yeah, that's all I got today on the HERRCHEF multiple blender with double cups. See y'all in the next video.